We do not inherit this land from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children.
What's unique about the Costa Rica manufacturing facility is that it follows kind of the leadership that Costa Rica is setting in terms of sustainability. And it's built from the ground up to have that mindset built in terms of saving energy, saving water, conserving natural resources, and minimizing the impact on the environment.
Sustainability is part of the culture for CooperVision because as a company and as a responsible citizen, we understand that we need to make sure that we're manufacturing high quality lenses, but in an environment that we are also saving our natural resources.
Having the chance of working in a world-class manufacturing site, having a world-class engineering position, dealing with this kind of technology, providing this kind of product to the world from a place that is so tiny, I just can feel, eternally grateful for it.
I have a newfound appreciation to not only CooperVision and what they're doing here, but also Costa Rica. And what Costa Rica is bringing to the table is really a model for the entire world.
It's a global commitment, I'd say. It's not because you are doing this stuff because it's required. It's a commitment to the whole community.
Because it is good for planet, it will be good for business also.